Hello, welcome to CBA Mom Saves. I'm Joe. Hi. Alright, so we are going to play games in just a few minutes. I want to show you some new games that I have out. For free, I have my 1 year celebration. Let's celebrate and have a good time. Come on. Okay, anyway. So I've been on YouTube for 1 year making videos. Okay, so let's celebrate and have a good time. 1 year of posting on YouTube budgeting community, or in the YouTube budgeting community. I've met some really great people that are now lifelong friends. So that is free. Alright, for sale, I have some musical ones. So this is Oceans by Hillsong United. This one is Gratitude, Brandon Lakes. So I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. And this one is I throw my hands up and praise you again and again. And this one, because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. Because I know he holds the future, and life is worth the living just because he lives. Alright, and I can't remember if this one is for sale or free. It is, I think, for sale, like 75 cents maybe. Some Bible verses, color and save, and then $2 for Bible for this one, and then a color and save for that one. Seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take. Proverbs 3:6. Let the word of Christ dwell in you richly. I am leaving you. I love this one. I'm leaving you with a gift of peace of mind and love. And the peace I give you is a gift the world cannot give. John 14:27. And then I have some dashboards, but they are numbered 1 through 12. They are the same design. I do have dashboards already out, but this one is different, and these are pre-numbered. They don't have the blank. I think that one's up. I might have not posted that one yet. I don't remember. Alright, so moving on to games. The first one, let's roll a dice to see which one we're going to read. Number 3, 1, 2, 3. Do you see ice in your drink? No, I do not like ice. So that is $5. I don't have a place to put the money still, so let's go put it right there. Alright. Actually, we can stick it right there. Alright, so Miss Lisa, Grateful Me. We're gonna do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $1. This isn't quite a game. Some of these are games, some of them are just challenges that I stuck in here. But alright, so we have 20, 45, 46. Lisa, Grateful Me. Okay, I don't know when this stupid mic cut off, but yeah, so we saved some money in games. Don't know how much you heard. Sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna go charge this mic now. I will be on vacation next week, but I will pre-record, so you guys will have, I don't know, 1, 2-ish videos for next week. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.